All right, let's go over these triads. So we are going to draw a line. We are dividing by 5, so we are going to multiply by 5 on both sides because the opposite of division is multiplication. These cancel, and we have x equals 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. So let's make sure that we got that correct. So negative 10 divided by 5 should give me that negative 2. Negative 10 divided by a positive 5 is going to give me a negative. And 10 divided by 5 is in fact 2. So we know we got that right. Remember, we have a 1 in front of our variables. So anytime we just have a letter by itself, we have a 1 in front of it. So that means I'm multiplying by negative 1. So that means that I need to draw my line and divide by negative 1 on both sides. These cancel, and I have a equals negative 24 divided by negative 1 gives me positive 24. Let's double check. So negative 1 times 24, if we get it right, it should give me negative 24. Negative times a positive is a negative. 1 times 24 is 24. So we got that one correct. C, draw our line. We are multiplying by negative 1.5n. So we are multiplying negative 1.5 times n. So we need to divide by negative 1.5 on both sides. These cancel, and I'm left with just n on that side. 3 divided by negative 1.5. So 3 divided by 1.5 negative gives me negative 2. So let's double check to make sure that we got that correct. So negative 1.5 times 3 should give me, oops, not times 3, sorry, times negative 2 should give me negative 3. So let's check. We have 1.5 negative times 2 negative, and that does in fact give me 3. So we got that correct as well. Draw our line down that equal sign. Whatever I do on one side of the line, I have to do to the other. I have divided by 8, so I'm going to multiply by 8 on both sides. These cancel. And I have C equals negative 56 because 7 times 8 is 56, and negative times a positive is a negative. Let's make sure that's correct. So negative 56 struggling today. Whoa, I apologize. Divided by 8. Negative divided by a positive gives me a negative. 56 divided by 8 gives me 7. So I got the last one. Draw your line. I am multiplying negative 5 by p. So I'm going to divide negative 5 on both sides. These cancel. And I have p equals 32 divided by 5, or negative 32 divided by 5. So 32 negative divided by 5 negative gives me 6.4. So let's double check. Negative 5 times 6.4. And let's use our calculator. 5 negative times 6.4 positive gives me negative 32, which is what it says it should equal. And so we got that one correct as well.